Okay, my name is Richmond and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, and anything related to making money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and don't forget to comment down all your questions. I'll be there to answer you right after I receive them. I want to leave a quick disclaimer over here that the number that you see at my about section is not for calling. This number is not for calling. Do not call me. You see that I've written over here that note WhatsApp only, no call. Some people call me anytime they wish. They can call me they call me profusely. That's what I hate. I don't call me. You just have to WhatsApp me, and whenever I receive your message, I'll attend to you whenever I get a chance or I get a time for your messages. Don't call me. Okay. With that being said, I want to come to my dashboard of Impact Radios. You can see that this most of you have been receiving this kind of overdue payments on your dashboard. At first, it was supposed to be at a section of this side where it says balance. This dashboard over here was divided into four, so you can see your today's earning, total pending, and then overdue balance, and then your balance over here. But right now, because Impact decided to close or decided to manage all the platforms, that's the reason why you see it over here. So you can see overdue balance over here. So I want to show you how you can fix your overdue balance, and that balance will reach into your account after this conversation. So that is it. Let me whilst it's loading, don't forget to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you. So how can you fix see your overdue balance? You come to this section where it says transactions. You come to overdue, you clear everything. So you can see over here says I have 34,449 Ghana cedis, which is overdue. That means this money has not been paid by brand that I'm promoting. It has not been paid by them. So it was supposed to be paid on the 3rd of November 2023, but Impact haven't received any money, or the Impact haven't received any money from. That's the reason why you see this overdue balance over here. So when you can see over here, you can contact them straight and ask of them why the reason why you haven't received your money yet. And you can come to this section where it says overdue payments. You can click on that and get to know much about overdue. So it will load a page like this. All you need to do is to search for overdue. So I want to show you the reason why this money is not being paid, or the reason why you are receiving overdue payments over here. So okay, so let me search for this overdue payment. Okay, so it seems like this is not what I wanted to search for. So I can see over here that it says overdue payment. So when you receive overdue payment, these are the reasons why your money has not been paid. So one, you have to check for your overdue payment, and you see the total pending. That's why you can see overdue payments over here. So you can see that this is a screenshot from Impact that they are showing you how you can fix that. So when you come to this bottom, these are the reasons why. So the reason is that sometimes the brands that you're promoting haven't paid the Impact affiliate marketing platform. The brand that you're promoting haven't load their wallet yet. So that's the reason why sometimes you receive overdue payment. And when this thing happens, you can choose to contact them by hitting on their contact section. So you can go to the dashboard of your Impact account, and then you hit on contact them, and you can contact them straight. And whenever they receive your message, that sometimes they may reply to your message and give you the reason why they haven't paid their customers yet. And most of you who are promoting Pura sites might have get the same issue like what what is being shown on my dashboard right now as an overdue payment. So you can see this 34,000 was supposed to be here and left with 10 days. So I'm hopefully by Monday. I believe they will pay this money on Monday, so that the 10 days, when the 10 days dues, Impact will be able to pay me my money. So this, when you receive overdue, that doesn't mean that the brand is not going to pay you. But what the reason is, in this platform you see here is a system. So the system has to move the money from this place to this section, and right after some days after the log date, they will transfer the money from the total pending to your balance, so that it will be available for you to withdraw. So when you receive this overdue payment, do not be afraid. If only the brand that you're promoting is available on the platform, don't be afraid. So what you can do is to go to brand section and hit on find my brands. Yes, my brands over here. So if you see that the brands that you're promoting is no longer on the dashboard of your brands, that means they are no longer on Impact account. So that Impact will remove the pending payment from your dashboard. That means you're going to get 000 if you're promoting only a single product on this platform. So the money that you see, some people will call you and disturb you that you have to apply for create Impact Radius account for them and apply for Pluralsight. The money that you see over here is not from Pluralsight only. They are from different sources. So you can see over here the brands that I'm promoting VPNs and other affiliate marketing products over here. So do not contact me and ask me to create an Impact Radius account or any of the accounts that I've been making videos on it, because I can't create. I have so many people who are watching my videos, I can see over here it says 18,000 views right now. That means if I'm to create an account for all these people who are contacting me, that means I have to create 18,000 or less than like 1,000 accounts, which I cannot do. So do not contact me to ask me to create any account for you. I will not do that. So if you're liking what I'm showing you right now, to be sincere, hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you don't like my video, don't dislike it, just leave it there and go your way. That is it. And you can go to this section where it says all brands, and this where you can find different brands if the brand that you're promoting is longer there. And yesterday I received a message from a friend from Nigeria that he created an account on Impact and applied for a certain product on this, applied for a certain brand that he's going to promote their product for them. And right after doing that, he tried to do self-clicking on that, and he did not receive any message or any money on the account. The reason is all these brands over here are having their rules and regulations that is governing them. So let me take Bidium for instance. You can see that they have their terms of service over here. So you can come to this section here, it says more, and then read their contract or view their contract over here. So you can you can even decide to expire their contract. So through their contract, that's where you're going to see that these are the reasons why your offers are not converting on Impact. So do not try to do self-clicking, because when they get to know that, they are going to block your account. So that is it. And according to your contract, you can see that they don't pay per click. You can see they don't pay per click. So you can see that the currency, most of them don't pay per click. So when you click on that and you try to sign up with just a click, they will not pay you unless you get about 4 to 5 clicks before a sign up. That's where they are going to pay you for that. So that's it. And do not try your possible best to do self-clicking. So let me go to this session. Somebody might ask whether I have received payment on that. Just last month I was being paid 17,000 Ghana cedis, and you can see over here that this money was being dropped into my account. This is my account number over here. Yes, so very soon I'll begin to show my face on this YouTube channel. So those of you who want to see me, I will begin to show my face. I have my webcams and everything set. So I'm waiting for my tripod stand and then ring light, so that I can begin to do live streaming on this platform. So you can see when it comes to this session, you can see the last figures of my bank account, it says 6210. That's it. And you can come to the bank account settings over here where it says bank account, and you can see everything that the 6210 is over there. So you can see that important our internal teams are reviewing a bank where it says which may cause delay in your next payment. So that's it. That's all that I want to show you today, sir. That if you receive any overdue payment, do not shiver. If only your brand is available on impact account, do not shiver or do not be afraid. You can contact them and ask of them why your payments are delaying or is receiving overdue, or you can wait for them to load their wallet so that they can pay you. And it happens everywhere, even share sale, and every brand sometimes they short of money in their account. So don't be afraid, they are going to pay us as an affiliate. That's it. And with that being said, don't forget to smash on the like button and comment down below your questions. Thank you very much for your time, and until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.